Most of us are inside. He's outside. It's an absolute passion.
He's hunting down storms. He's Panama City's resident storm chaser. Joseph Mandeville takes some of the most stunning pictures you may ever see.
While we're trying to sleep, our friend Joseph Mandeville says, he likes to go into the storm.
Our local storm chaser, Joseph Mandeville, and his wife Melissa. These people do such great things for our community by our local storm chaser. Amazing stuff.
Friend of the program, Joseph Mandeville, who takes some spectacular lightning images.
Storm chasers and weather spotter Joseph Mandeville.
We're here from Joseph Mandeville, who is out chasing the storms down at Mexico Beach.
This is from our weather spotter, weather observer, weather photographer, Joseph Mandeville.
Hey, big shout out to Joseph Mandeville this evening. These are something from Joseph Mandeville. This is a microburst.
Look at that lightning strike over there from our friend Joseph Mandeville.
Look at this shot, also from Joseph Mandeville.
Fantastic picture sent to us by a friend of the program, Joseph Mandeville.
Joseph in Panama City, set up there at the Hathaway Bridge. You got the lightning strike, as well as the sunset and the distant thunderstorm. Just for the win, Joseph.
Better Resort Charter Joseph Mandeville went to check out the scene.